Today I'm going to demonstrate how to both upload and download files from a Windows PC to a real SINUMERIK CNC using the PLINK executable. The PLINK executable can be found at this website here. It's produced by the same people that make PuTTY. So further on down, you will see just here that we have that file PLINK.EXE. So here you can see it. I've downloaded the 64-bit version. So this is what I've got on my side here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is show you the actual CNC. So here we have the VNC viewer session ready. You can see that I have just 3 programs here. What I'm going to do is transfer in another Hello World program. It'll be Hello World 4. So now let's come back and take a look at that program. Here we have Hello World 4. It just says Hello World from PLINK.EXE. I'm going to go ahead and show you now the Python code that we're going to use to transfer it over from the PC to the CNC. So that is going to be our download code that you can see here. So this is what we have written. First, we have to import subprocess. Then in the configuration, we have the path to our PLINK executable. We could place this anywhere that we like, but I've chosen to put it in my workstation software folder. I've got the IP address of my CNC, the username, and my password, which is still the default, which is just Sunrise here. Next, I have the remote path. So I have specified I want it in the main part file directory. Then I have my local path. So this is where the program actually resides. Next, we have to run some other commands here to download the file. Now, the most important thing to see here is this little tag. This is issued to create no window, so it'll look real smooth. So I'm going to go ahead now and run it. And now we can see that we were able to download it to the control. I'm going to take a look next back at our HMI window. So now here we have Hello World 4. I can open it up and you can see the text. We have Hello World from PLINK. I'm going to go ahead and put in some more text and then download it. So here, if I copy that and from the CNC environment add something like this, we'll say passback from CNC, and then go ahead and close it. Now what we're going to do is come back to our expanded view, and we're going to look at our upload code next. So here is the upload code. The configuration is still the same, and really the logic is going to run about the same way. So here, when I run this module, you can see in our expanded screen that the CNC program was uploaded to the PC successfully. I'm going to get to my folder here and open up Hello World 4. Now I can see that it was modified by another program. I can choose to reload it. And now I see that it has successfully been modified by the CNC and then uploaded back to the PC environment. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.